Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Ford F-350. Begin by lightly sketching the main body shape. Think of it as a large rectangle for the bed and a slightly smaller one for the cab, positioned towards the front. Next, add two large circles for the wheels, ensuring they align with the body's base. These initial shapes will serve as your foundational guide for the entire drawing process, making it easier to maintain correct proportions. Now, let's refine the body. Gently round the corners of your initial rectangles to give the truck a more realistic silhouette. Add the distinct fender flares over the wheels, giving it that powerful F-350 stance. Sketch the front grille, headlights, and bumper, paying attention to their rectangular and horizontal forms. Don't forget the door lines and window shapes on the cab, making sure they are proportionate to the overall design. Moving on to the wheels and undercarriage, this is where the truck really starts to come alive. Draw the rims within your wheel circles, adding spokes or a hubcap design. Give the tires some depth by sketching tread patterns. Below the body, lightly indicate the axles and suspension components. Also, add the side mirrors and door handles to the cab, ensuring they are appropriately sized for a heavy-duty truck. For our final slide, let's add those finishing touches. Carefully erase any unnecessary guidelines from your initial sketches, cleaning up the overall drawing. Now, use shading to give your F-350 depth and dimension. Think about where light would hit and where shadows would fall, especially under the truck and within the wheel wells. A subtle Ford logo on the grille can complete your detailed drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.